guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Black Crust Pizza Co. SM City Clark. Soft opening day po nila and we were able to experience yung mga unlimited and at the same time, grabe yung mga tao dito. This is our table for today, so isa-isayin natin sila. Alright, so guys, check out this menu. So meron po silang 99 peso meal. So ano ba yung mga 99 peso meal, guys? First off, ayan, meron tayong mga black pizza wrap, pepperoni and cheese, ham and cheese, at saka beef and cheese. Alternatively, meron tayong 99 peso meal sa mga chicken natin. 99 pesos only. You're gonna taste teriyaki, blazing hot, honey glaze, garlic butter, at saka orange chicken. So check this out, only 99 pesos. Now, for the 199 Unlimited naman, guys, what do you get? So, dito po sa table natin, we have burgers and fries, rice and chicken, classic fried chicken with rice, at saka pizza with fries. For only 199 pesos, for example, you pick fried chicken and rice, so you're gonna get, ayan, rice and gravy na unlimited. Succeedingly, yan, meron tayong rice and cheese unlimited, fries and cheese unlimited, at saka fries and cheese unlimited. Now, these meals comes with your drink there. Okay, so the family is complete. Family is complete, guys. So go check this out. Black Crust Pizza Co. Cafe is now open dito po sa SM City, Pampanga. And congratulations po sa mga owners and management. This is actually their fourth dito po sa Pampanga. So yun, we're gonna enjoy the food. Samahan nyo rin po kami.